In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pre-order feature to your Wix website. This feature can be incredibly beneficial for businesses looking to generate buzz and secure sales for upcoming product releases. By offering pre-orders, you allow customers to reserve products in advance, ensuring they don't miss out on new items as soon as they become available. Let's dive in and walk through each step to get this set up on your Wix store. First, head over to Wix.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll want to select the website where you wish to add the pre-order feature. Navigating to the correct site is essential because each site has its own settings and catalog. Next, from your dashboard, navigate to the catalog section, then click on Store Products. This is where all your products are listed and you can manage their details. Look for the Products tab and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive list of products available in your store. Now choose the specific product you want to enable the pre-order feature for. Select this product and you'll be able to access detailed settings for it. It's important to ensure that any changes are applied to the correct product to avoid confusion later. Head over to Inventory and Shipping in the product settings. Here, make sure to turn on the Track Inventory option. This step is crucial because it allows you to manage your stock levels and set accurate limits for pre-orders if needed. Then locate the pre-order section within this product settings. Click on it to expand more options. When you click the button to initiate the pre-order settings, a menu will appear below it. In the pre-order message section, type in a message that will be displayed to your customers. This message should inform your customers when they can expect the product to be shipped or delivered. Clear communication helps manage customer expectations and enhances their purchasing experience. Next, you'll want to set a pre-order limit. Navigate to the pre-order limit section. You have the option to either have no limit or set a specific limit to the number of pre-orders you wish to accept. If you choose limit to, ensure you set the number of products you want to be available for pre-order accurately. Finally, once all the settings are to your liking and the necessary information has been filled out, make sure to click on the Save button. This will save all the changes you've just made, enabling your pre-order feature on the selected product. And that's it. You've successfully set up a pre-order feature on your Wix site. This new feature will allow your customers to reserve their favorite upcoming products, ensuring they are first in line when these products become available. Thank you for following along, and I hope this feature greatly enhances your business operations.